Good morning. This notification is about RBI Grade B recruitment 2021. This is really wonderful opportunity to every graduate from every discipline. There is no specification. There is no particular subject to apply, so any graduate can apply for this notification. See the complete details. Without any wasting of time, I will give you complete information which is useful and important. See, Reserve Bank of India has released the official notification for the post of RBI Grade B officer exam. In that, see the important details. RBI Grade B 2021 important dates. See, the application process is starting from 28th January and the last date is 15th February. See the important exam dates. RBI Grade B events and date. Officers in Grade B General Phase 1 online examination March 6, 2021. Phase 2 Paper 1, 2 and 3 online examinations April 1, 2021. Officer in Grade B DEPR Phase 1 Paper 1 online exam March 6, 2021. Phase 2 Paper 2 and 3 online and written examination March 31, 2021 to be confirmed in admit cards. Officer in Grade B DSIM Phase 1 Paper 1 online examination March 6, 2021. Phase 2 Paper 2 and 3 online and written examination March 31, 2021 to be confirmed in admit cards. Interview process to be announced later. Declaration of final result also announced later. See the complete vacancy. See the vacancy details. Officers in Grade B General 270 vacancies. Officers in Grade B DEPR 29 vacancies. Officer in Grade B DR DSIM 23 vacancies. Total 322 vacancies are there. The application fees is 850 is the application fees for general and OBC category. ₹100 for candidates who is from SC, ST, PWD category. See the exam pattern. RBI Grade B exam pattern for prelims exam. General awareness 80 questions and 80 marks. Quantitative aptitude 30 questions, 30 marks. English language 30 questions, 30 marks. Reasoning 60 questions, 60 marks. Total 200 questions, 200 marks, and time limit is 2 hours. See the exam pattern of mains exam. Economics and social objective issues 100 marks. Paper 2 English writing skills descriptive to be typed with the help of keyboard 100 marks. Paper 3 finance and management objective type 100 marks. Duration for every section is 90 minutes. Candidates will be shortlisted for the interview based on aggregate marks obtained in Paper 1, Paper 2 and Paper 3 of Phase 2 exam. Interview process will carry 50 marks. See the syllabus for the RBI Grade B officer. English, grammar, vocabulary, error spotting, comprehension, passage making, jumble words, fill in the blanks, sentence framing. For quantitative aptitude, mensuration, time and work, average percentage and ratio, speed, distance and time, mixture allegations, permutation and combination, data interpretation, probability, puzzles. C for syllabus of reasoning, puzzles, seating arrangement, direction and distance, data sufficiency, blood relations, syllogism, coding, decoding, inequality. for general awareness, banking and financial awareness, monetary policies, economic terms, current affairs, financial and economic news, static GK, government schemes, agreements and deals, banking terms, rates and process. See the eligibility for this notification. Minimum educational qualification: officer in grade B general, a minimum of 60% marks, 50% in case of SC, ST, PWD, or an equivalent grade in bachelor's degree as well as in 12th and 10th standard examination. The minimum qualifying percentage or an equivalent grade for the bachelor's degree will be aggregate for all semesters and years. Officers in grade B DEPR: a master's degree in economics or econometrics, quantitative economics, mathematical economics, integrated economics course, finance with a minimum of 55 marks or in equivalent grade in aggregate of all semesters, years from a recognized Indian or foreign university, institute, or PGDM or MBA finance with a minimum of 55% marks of an equivalent grade in aggregate of all semesters, years from a recognized Indian or foreign university, or master's degree in economic in any of the subject categories of economics, agricultural, business, developmental, applied with a minimum of 55 marks or an equivalent grade in aggregate of all semesters, years from recognized Indian or foreign university institutes. Officers in grade B DSIM: a master's degree in statistics, mathematical economics, econometrics, statistics and informatics from IIT Kharagpur, applied statistics and informatics from IIT Bombay with a minimum of 55% marks or equivalent grade in aggregate of all semesters or years, or master's degree in mathematics with minimum of 55% marks or an equivalent grade in aggregate of all semesters, years, and 1 year postgraduate diploma in statistics or related subject from an institute of repute, or masters in statistics degree of an Indian Statistical Institute with a minimum of 55% marks in aggregate of all semesters. Postgraduate diploma in business analytics jointly offered by ISI Kolkata, IIT Kharagpur and IIM Calcutta with a minimum of 55% marks or equivalent grade in aggregate of all semesters. So this is all educational qualification details and vacancy details. So complete information about the RBI grade B officer. The official website link is available in video description. Please go there and apply for this notification. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.